What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very basic tutorial on how to use Mocha. So Mocha is a JavaScript test runner. So you're going to need npm installed in order to run this. You're going to need two node modules. So the first one we're going to install, even though I already have it installed, will be npm install Mocha, and we also want assert, which is another node module I'm pretty sure it's part of Mocha that allows you to write your test. And then we're going to do the --g flag. And then once we get all of our node modules installed, I think I already have them both installed, but anyways, you can see it, go out there and fetch what we want. And cool, so I know it's saying errors, but now what you'll be able to do is on your desktop, we're going to remove, we already have a file called test.js. You can run Mocha globally, and what it'll say is cannot resolve path test, which what this means is that it's looking for a file called test.js, but you can also pass it. I'm pretty sure you can pass it like index.js, and it'll say, yeah, it cannot resolve file, but the default is test. So we're going to create a file called test.js, and from there, we're going to open it in VIM, and we're going to see if we can create for you guys a very basic Mocha application or Mocha test. So we're going to say var assert equals require assert. This is global, so we're just requiring it. And then from there, we're going to do a describe block, and this describe is going to be it adds. This is the calculator test suite, and then second parameter usually in these tests is a function, and then we're going to close that off, and then from there we're going to do well, first let's actually create an instance of our calculator. So do var calculator equals new calculator. Well, first let's create it. We're going to create a method on here called add, which is a function which takes in num1 and num2. And this is just going to return num1 plus num2. Forgive my VIM skills. I'm still learning. And let me back that up. So yeah, it's not the prettiest, but so now we're going to create a new instance of our calculator in here. So we're going to create describe. It adds two numbers together. So we're just going to create 4 tests. It adds 2 numbers together. And the second parameter, like always, is our function. So let me indent that a little bit. And what we're going to do here is we're going to say var calculator equals a new calculator. And then we're going to do, let me just go up here actually and rename it as I'm going to rename it as like that, so it looks more like a constructor. And then from there, we are going to we're going to test our calculator. So we're going to do assert dot we'll do assert dot r equal. Pretty sure this is the method. And so the first parameter we're going to pass it to is we're going to say calculator dot add 2 and 2, and I'm going to say assert that that's equal to 4. And then once we're done, we can press escape to exit the insert mode, and then we're going to press $WQ to save our changes. Now that we're back here, we can do Mocha. We're going to do test.js. What does it say? Calculator is not a function. Oh, you're right. My bad. So let me go back in here to vim test.js. And what we want to do, we go to insert. What we can do here is we can do var calculator, my bad, is equal to a function. And from there, it's going to have these methods on it. So say add, yeah, var calculator is a function. And then let me just, I'm going to take this out of here. just write it as like a separate property. This will just return the object which has the methods on it. Let me go back here and this will just say add, which is a function which takes in num1, num2, and like we said before, this is just going to return num1 plus num2. And let me exit insert mode, save it one more time, and then let's do VIM, or let's do Mocha test.js and see what we get. Assert.r equal is not a function. I guess I'm thinking of another framework, so let me go in here and try assert. Let's see what it is. Assert. Okay, I think. Let me try that. Sorry about this. But, WQ, and then Mocha, let's run it. Assert.ok is not a function. So let me try one more thing. Test.js, let me insert, and we do assert assert.ok maybe, like that. WQ, or sorry. WQ, and then Mocha. Okay, cool. So it says 0 passing. Why is that? Mocha test.js. Why does it say 0 passing? VIM test.js. Describe it adds two numbers together. Assert.ok. Alright, let me look real quick at what we have in here. So it says describe, assert.equal. Should return -1, describe. Okay, so let me go back, and I think I know what we're doing wrong. We can open this back up, and we're going to change this to assert.equal, and it should be assert.equal, exit, WQ, and we'll run Mocha test.js, 0 passing. What is it? I'm kind of confused, to be honest. Let me look one more time. See what I have it on. Or assert, describe, it should, function, for calculator, assert dot equal, assert, var assert, describe array, calculator dot add, zero passing. Let me see real quick why it's not working for me. Assert.equal, calculator.add. Try it right here. Horizontal equals calculator.add, and we'll give it 2 and 2. And then let me try and just put in here result and 4. Exit that, WQ, let's run Mocha again, 0 passing. I'm pretty confused. Require assert, describe array. Okay. Oh, my bad. So we have, yeah, okay, so let me fix this up. We have our two describe blocks, but we actually need an it. So our it is going to be, let me go to insert mode, I'm just going to say it should return the sum of two numbers when using the add method. And like always, I'm taking a function. I'm going to close that off, and then we're going to grab this assert.equal. This is literally my first time doing it in VIM, that's why. Assert.equal, and we're going to say result 4. And let me close this off. Close that off and escape. WQ, and let's run our test again with Mocha. Okay, there it is. This is the calculator test suite. It adds two numbers together. Cool, that's passing. We can make it fail if we were to go back here and try, just try and change the result, or change the addition to 3 and 2, and then we can exit WQ, and then we run Mocha again, and we can see 0 passing, 1 failing, and that's why. So really quick tutorial using VIM, guys, and using some Mocha. In my next video coming up on mean stack, I'm going to do a lot of unit testing, Mocha, Jasmine, and just some testing on Node.js, maybe testing some Angular controllers and getting all that to go. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and please always subscribe and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. See you in the next video.